In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a zip file in Outlook. We'll walk through the Outlook web experience so you can confidently attach a compressed zip file to an email and get it ready to send. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Outlook into the search bar, then click the official Outlook website link to open your mailbox. Once your inbox is visible, you'll be on the main screen where you can compose messages and view mail. Create a new message by selecting New Mail. This opens a compose window on the right or in a new pane, depending on your layout. Click into the message box to place your cursor inside the email body. This ensures the formatting and insert options you need are active and visible. Look to the toolbar at the top of the compose window and choose Insert. From the menu, select Attach File. You'll see several sources for attachments. Choose Browse this computer to upload a file directly from your device. This opens your system's file picker, where you can navigate to the folder that contains your zip file. Find the zip you want to share, click it to select, and confirm. Outlook will begin uploading the file. You'll see a progress indicator, and when it finishes, the attachment will appear beneath the subject line or at the bottom of the compose window, depending on your layout. That's your confirmation that the zip is attached and ready to go. A few quick tips while the file attaches. Zip files are great for bundling multiple items into one package and for preserving folder structure, which makes it easier for your recipient to download everything at once. Keep the zip's name clear and descriptive so the recipient knows what to expect. If the file is very large, Outlook may offer to send it as a cloud link instead of a traditional attachment. That's helpful for recipients and can avoid delivery issues. Many email services have attachment size limits, so if you run into a warning, consider removing unnecessary items from the zip or using a shared link. If your zip is password protected, be sure to share that password securely and separately, not in the same email. And if your recipient's system is set to block certain file types inside zips, let them know to extract the archive and scan it before opening. That's it. You've opened Outlook, created a new message, and attached your zip file so it's ready to send.